Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Paint Boss. Today we're going to do another video because we had a really good one with Roland and Galen. We're here with Roland and Galen today, and we have my favorite black garage doors. So we're doing these kind of aluminum faux wood grain doors, and luckily our client's letting us change them to all black. It just fits this shop on this beautiful project here. Alrighty, so take a look. We took off these flanges today to get a better spray, and we're going to watch as Roland shows us how to do these doors.
Hard work, work. Hard work, that's what they say. Hard work, work. Hard work, I earn my pay. Hard work, work. Hard work, do it every day. Hard work, I get up about 2:45. Hard work, work. To go and earn my pay. Hard work, work. Put my boots on and lace them up. Hard work, work. Got another day.
All right, let's see her, Rolly. All right, you can see he's treating every panel like it's its own. And actually on this garage door, we got lucky, and since all of these door flanges that go in the corners, like these, you guys normally see garage doors with these up there, but since these are plastic and they're really inexpensive, our client's gonna buy factory ones, and what that does is that exposes this edge. So you've heard me talk before on our garage door packages, we're always trying to avoid the stretch mark, which is right in the corner of that door. You see right where Rolly just shot that, and we're always trying to avoid the stretch mark that's usually right there. So by taking all of these gaskets off, or some people call them garage flanges off, it's going to give us access to the entire door. Now what you don't see is back there we have Galen inside with a shield going back and forth, and we've put cardboard on the back side of where that flange normally protects anything getting into the garage. So he's just going nice and easy. He's shooting a fine finish tip on a 410 and just laying it up there. You can see how beautiful that's looking. Making sure he's getting in that seam. He's already got all of his edges doubled up. And just nice and easy, blowing that beautiful Tricorn Black on all these doors. It's really going to change this. You know, those faux wood doors are really nice in certain houses and certain looks. This is kind of a modern mountain. You can see this is a shop with a living space in it. It's beautiful. It's a good client, Jen. And we're doing these big, this siding here was originally white and it was just too strong, so we made the recommendation to switch that over. Now today we're shooting Tricorn Black in super paint satin. That's one of our favorites. That does really good up here with this environment. And our old trusty 395 with our smart control on it. We're at about 75% pressure. All right, so we'll keep going. Now you can see where these were done. They're all white on the edges. So the nice thing about having those gaskets off is now we can really get the black behind there. Because especially with black, when it gets cold out here, everything shrinks up, and that metal will actually shrink and expose the unpainted edge. So another added bonus of taking that garage flange off. And I know out here for us, for these size doors, I believe they replaced all of those flanges on all three of these doors. They're pretty big doors and an RV door. I believe they replaced all that for about 65 bucks. So not bad at all. Alright, just gonna keep making his way. Getting all those frames, not to give a start and stop line on those. Making sure there's plenty of paint in those edges. And then of course always doing the bottom. Always putting a lot of paint on the bottom because that's where any moisture, water, rain, snow, all of that's going to build up. You want to make sure you have a really nice thick millage anywhere around the bottom panel. Alright, now he's just dragging the middle right over to the corner seam, stopping it at the window so he has no start and stop. Let's see, while he's working on that, you got these beautiful black doors. I mean, look, they're brand new. And that's the beauty of getting paint on in a good way. These doors are brand new. These ones I think were only about 2 to 3 years old. But now with this new coat of paint, this is going to totally bring it relevant today. And for all you guys that follow the channel, thank you so much. We were about to hit 3,000 subs. We're super grateful to y'all. Super happy to hit that milestone, and let's continue growing together. It's been really fun to do this stuff, even though it seems a little cheesy sometimes when I feel like I'm talking to myself on watching guys paint. But I know there's a lot of us out there that do actually enjoy and learn from this stuff. Alright, so you can see how he's laying that one out. It's beautiful. He's going to keep pushing through. Go out a little bit. You can see how beautiful this is going to tie everything in. And see, they were that faux wood, but you guys can see now with this shop, if those doors were that faux, you know, that kind of faux wood stuff, it just didn't go with this house. This is kind of a modern mountain design. And you can see we're working on this really beautiful. The main house is absolutely stunning. And this is just the side of it. And we're going to be taking that darker urbane color and dropping it on the rest of this house. Alright, I'll probably do another one when we get a little closer. We actually just finished the inside, and I'll do another one when we get a little closer to the outside. We're going to let it warm up a little bit, and our client's going to see how she likes this urbane bronze on her siding, so we can drop it around the rest of the house. Alright, so you can see, once it's masked off, obviously all the work is in the masking. The spray only really takes, 10-15 minutes. And what we did before we started these was we just took a pole sander and we ran a quick little scuff sand. Mainly that's for just kind of open up the pores of the door and also for cleaning. And once we did that, we took a dusting brush, a microfiber dust head. Here, I'll kind of show you. So we take these, you see that? That's our dusting brush, and we sand those. And then as soon as we sand them, we hit them with the duster, and it's all clean and ready for paint. So we always want to make sure we have that good adhesion. And if you got leaf blowers, you can hit them with a leaf blower. I wanted to sand them down because they've just been open to the elements for a while. So it's a good way to make sure A, we get them clean, and B, we knock off anything we don't like in there. Alright, that's the big door. So that's basically it, just to give you guys a little insight of what we're thinking when we're doing these doors. We always like start at the top and work our way down, and this was nice to get in the sides of that. Getting a really nice millage. I think we'll go through about 3 gallons of the super paint for this. And our client will have these nice, beautiful, brand new doors. And you can see too, he shoots a lot like I do. I don't like starting and stopping on our surface, whatever surface you're spraying. Whether it's a wood pack, millwork, doors, whatever it is, you want to just keep shooting, because when I see a lot of starting and stopping, I don't know how a lot of people do it, but I do see a lot of people starting and stopping. When we do that, the pressure of the gun usually puts a couple of spit marks in that, so we kind of all really try to be aware of trying to keep that spray always going on the surface and not starting and stopping on anything we're spraying. You can see here while he's finishing that panel. Nice. See, there it is again, always laying it up nice and thick on the bottom. That's where the snow's going to be, or the rain's going to be, any kind of moisture coming in. And what I'm going to show you for a second how we mask this. So you can see here, this is the garage door, this is the garage door casing, and right here is all of the stucco. So what we did is we wanted to make it nice and new for her, for our client, and we wanted to cover up the stucco so we don't have any blowouts. So we actually masked the tape right to the paint grade trim right here. That just makes sure we have a really good connection. Sometimes when you tape to stucco, it doesn't always end well. So we like to go right off the trim work. Very nice. Very nice. Hey, Rolly. Good job. That's looking beautiful. And there we go. Brand new garage doors for our awesome client. Thank you, Jen, for letting us film this one. It's going to be beautiful. So let me pan this out. And you get to see all three of them together. Look how much better that goes with that house. I mean, truly, it wasn't even a decision. You know, this Live Above shop was literally built for that color garage door. So, all right, everybody. Well, thanks for joining. I'm going to go back to work now. And thank you so much for tuning in. Just want to give you a little insight. We did a garage door video over there, but I've always been looking forward to doing a black one. I love black garage doors right now. And now we're just going to tear up the masking, give it a little second, and now they're breaking that seal right there at the bottom. So when we get there, that's a nice little gasket edge of metal, and it was all kept clean. Nice good line, so we have that stainless steel edge right on there. All right, everybody, thank you. Click that bell, subscribe, and thank you again for all the support. Thank you.
Hard work, got to go and earn my pay. Hard work.